In Yamdu, you'll be able to keep track of all the hours or days either you or anyone in the crew works on in a project using timesheets. And we can create timesheets for our team members by heading to the company area. But if we want to see our own timesheet, we can find that under our profile. So here in the company area, we can add a new timesheet and select the user and the project they are currently working on. Then we can select a default category or create a custom category of their work and add a title or description that specifies what they completed. Afterwards, we can enter the duration of their work. Or if the timesheet has a definitive start and end date, we can enter that as well. Now we can see the newly added timesheet here. But let's take the same user and add the same project, but change the category. And it should be mentioned that if we select one of the default categories, the system will be able to automatically pull data. So if we select task, then we'll be able to choose from one of the existing tasks, or if there's a deadline, the date field in the timesheet will be pre-filled for us. And now we can see the information separated per category. And of course, we can filter the timesheets by company, project, user, and the category of work. Or we can filter by a time frame. And all of this can be exported as a PDF or downloaded as an Excel or CSV file. That was a quick look at timesheets in Yamdu. Stay tuned for more tutorials.